Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Climb. In this video, we are going to build a very simple but useful Python mini project, which is a random password generator. If you are a beginner in Python and want to build confidence by creating real projects, then this video is perfect for you. So without wasting any time, let's start coding and climb one more step in your programming journey. So firstly, let's create a folder in our desktop. First we have to do right click. Then after that we have to go to the new option. Then we can see here the folder option is there. So let's name the folder as random password. I'm writing the short form of the password. You can write the full name as per your choice. Then press enter. Then after that, go to the VS Code and choose the option File and select the option Open Folder. After that, here you can see in the desktop one folder name is coming random pass. So you have to select it and you have to click on select folder. After that, here one new file option is there, you have to click it. Then after that you have to give a name to your file. Let us give the name as password dot. As we are writing this code in Python, so we have to give an extension. Okay, is not valid as a filer. Please choose a different name. Okay, here it is giving the warning, so we can choose only pass, and we have to give an extension here. So for Python the extension is .py. Then we have to press enter. Yeah, so now we will start writing our code. So first we will import the random module. This helps us to generate random values. We will use this module to randomly select characters for our password. Next, we import the string module. This module provides ready-made collections of characters like letters, numbers, and special symbols. After that, we will give the password length. Here we define the length of the password. In this case, our password will contain 8 characters. You can change this value to make the password longer or shorter as per your choice. After that, we will write char values equal to string dot ASCII underscore letters, which will combine with string digits, string dot digits, which will combine with punctuation. In this line, we create a variable called char values. It combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This ensures that our password is strong and secure. Yeah, here we initialize an empty string called password. We will keep adding randomly selected characters to this string. It means the values which will be added here will be added in the password in which we will keep adding randomly selected characters to this string. After that, we will write a loop for I in range password length. Now, we use a for loop that runs based on the password length. Since the length is 8, this loop will run 8 times. Inside which we are going to write password plus is equals to random dot choice. Inside this loop, we randomly pick one character from our character set and add it to the password. This happens repeatedly until the password reaches the required length which we have chosen as 8. You can choose any length. Then after that, we will finally print your random password is, comma, we will print password. Yeah. So finally we print the generated random password on the screen. So now let's run this one. Yeah. So here you can see the output game. Your random password is PUX, then parenthesis, curly braces, question mark, F backslash. It will give different passwords. Let us check by running it again. Yeah. So here you can see again a new password game. So like this you can generate many passwords. So this is how you can create a simple yet powerful random password generator using Python. If you like this mini project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code Climb for more Python projects and many more videos which will build your confidence.